And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Despite a new president and a new director of football at the JFF, young sensation Leon Bailey is yet to get a call-up to the national senior team. But it seems there could be light at the end of the tunnel.
In previous discussions, Craig Butler said Leon Bailey would not represent Jamaica unless the then technical director Vin Blaine was removed from the national program. The wait would have been longer had Stuart Stevenson won the race to the JFF's top job. But with all those aside, Butler says all is now clear for his players to represent the Reggae Boys.
Well, Kyle and Leon have made themselves available, and should the national team call them, they will actually be available for this friendly here. So we are very serious. We back Mike Ricketts because Mike is for Jamaica's football. He's willing to work with me, and I'm willing to work with him. And the boys are always willing to work with whatever I direct, because they know I have their best interests at heart.
According to Butler, they are now awaiting an invitation from Roy Simpson, the manager of the senior Reggae Boys team.
If we get the letter, Kyle and Chippy is ready to take a flight.
But the discussion came up a week before the Reggae Boys' departure to Saudi Arabia. According to Simpson, he met with Butler about Bailey making the trip, but they couldn't meet the required 15-day notice needed to notify Bayer Leverkusen, the German club, of Bailey.
He called me to say the players are ready now and all they need is a letter to travel to Saudi Arabia. As I explained to him that situation would not be possible now, but we'll continue to engage him, we'll continue to work with him, and we want him to keep the channels of communication open, because I know Jamaica is anxiously awaiting Leon Bailey to be part of the Reggae Boys, and we are ready to facilitate that process.
Simpson said Butler was also asked to present information as to how to contact the club, but that did not come.
He didn't provide an email address for the club. He asked for us to send a letter directly to him and he will sort out whatever else. That's not how we operate at the JFF. We communicate with clubs. The member association communicates with clubs, with regard to the respective player. That was explained to him. But we are glad that he has seen the light and is ready to engage us and to offer Leon Bailey to the people of Jamaica.
Simpson says they will have further discussions when he returns from Saudi Arabia. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Keon Reyna.
Meanwhile, Leon Bailey's call-up to the national team could be sooner than expected, as Craig Butler says he's up for the technical director's post at the JFF. According to Butler, he has made the necessary move by giving up coaching at Phoenix Academy.
I always have an interest in helping my country in football. Being the president of the JFF was only a means to an end for me, which is to get Jamaica to a World Cup. So whatever I can do to ensure that happens, and whatever Leon Bailey and Kyle Butler and all the Phoenix members can do to help, we will do. I have actually brought in a former Italian national coach to replace me at Phoenix so that I can be available for any work that our country would have me do.
Butler, who watched the Red Stripe Premier League game between Waterhouse and Reno at Drewsland, says the new JFF president is someone he's willing to work with.
He's a good and affable person, and I backed him in his campaign after I stepped out for a reason. Because I believe we can work together, and I believe it's a safe place for young players to get into the national program with Mike, because he's an unbiased person. And that's something that we need for our country. And we need to have a simple system, a national football culture where everyone is doing the same thing and developing properly.